I will show you how to download Need for Speed Most Wanted. Open your Steam. Then to the store, go to the search field. Type Need for Speed Most Wanted. Click this game. Then add to cart. Click View My Cart. Continue to payment. You can choose the payment such as Visa or MasterCard and others. If you have, you will continue to payment. If you have paid for the game you have purchased, it will appear in your game library. Go to the game library, here because I didn't buy it. I just gave an example in another game. Like this, then, you press Install. After that, you will select the storage folder for the game you want to download as shown in this picture. Select Continue until your game is downloaded. Wait for your game to finish downloading. Congratulations, you have successfully purchased the game Need for Speed Most Wanted.
Thanks you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure you hit subscribe button.